Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
cells in the epidermis. There are different types of cells in epidermis like keratinocytes, Langerhans cells, melanocytes and Merkel cells. Development of epidermal cells. Keratinocytes are actually developed from ectoderm. Melanocytes are developed from neural crest cells. Langerhans cells developed from mesenchyme. Merkel cells are developed from ectoderm more commonly than neural crest cells. First type of cell is keratinocytes. Keratinocytes are seen in 80 to 90%. So keratinocytes constitute 80 to 90% of epidermis. Keratinocytes contain tonofilaments or keratin intermediate filaments. Tonofilaments or keratin intermediate filaments contain keratin, which can be either hard keratin or soft keratin. Hard keratin contains disulfide bonds which are strong and they are seen in nails and hair, whereas soft keratin contains disulfide bonds which are weak and these are seen in skin. Keratinocytes are present in all layers of the skin from stratum basale to stratum corneum. Second type of cells are Langerhans cells. Langerhans cells are present in stratum spinosum. These Langerhans cells are the antigen presenting cells which are important in immune response. They cause receptor mediated endocytosis and they are derived from mesenchyme. One characteristic feature is presence of Birbeck granules which are rod or racket shaped. Markers of Langerhans cells include CD1A, CD207 and S100. Third type of cells are melanocytes. Melanocytes are pigment forming cells which are present in stratum basale. Melanocytes are derived from neural crest cells. Melanocytes are pigment forming cells which form the pigment melanin. They are dendritic cells. There are two types of dendritic cells which are present in the skin, which include melanocytes, and the other dendritic cell is Langerhans cells. So melanocytes and Langerhans cells are the dendritic cells. Each melanocyte will form melanosomes. These melanosomes will have melanin. So each melanocyte transfers the melanosomes to the keratinocytes. So each melanocyte transfers melanosomes to 36 keratinocytes. So this is called as epidermal melanin unit. Melanocyte is to keratinocyte ratio is 1:10. The melanocyte to keratinocyte ratio is 1:10, whereas epidermal melanin unit is 1:36. Changes in skin color. The main changes of skin color is due to melanosomes or melanin. Melanin can be of two types. One, we have eumelanin, which is blackish brown in color. Second, pheomelanin, which is fake or yellowish red in color. Melanosomes have different size, distribution and number. Merkel cells. The next type of cells are Merkel cells. Merkel cells are present in stratum basale. The Merkel cells are derived mainly from the ectoderm. If ectoderm is not in options, then we can go for neural crest cells. They are slow adapting type 1 touch receptors. Touch receptors can be of two types. Type 1 slow adapting touch receptors or type 2 rapid adapting touch receptors. Type 1 or slow adapting touch receptors include Merkel cells, Ruffini's nerve endings and free nerve endings. Type 2 or rapid adapting touch receptors include Meissner's corpuscles, hair endings and Pacinian corpuscles. Among this, Pacinian corpuscles are important in detecting pressure and vibration.
Thank you and thank you for watching.